Thailand. The land of smiles, vibrant street food, ancient temples, and bustling markets. You've planned your trip, booked your flights, and now you're wondering about the best way to handle your money. Specifically, if you're a YouTrip user, a crucial question arises: can I withdraw money from YouTrip in Thailand? It's a question that can make or break your travel budget, and misinformation can lead to unwelcome surprises. Imagine this: you're exploring a hidden gem of a night market, the aroma of pad thai fills the air, and you spot a unique handmade souvenir. You reach for your YouTrip card, ready to make a purchase, only to find the vendor only accepts cash. Or perhaps you're in a more remote area where card payments are less common. Suddenly, getting local currency becomes a pressing concern. This is where knowing your YouTrip card's capabilities for ATM withdrawals in Thailand becomes absolutely essential. So, let's cut through the noise and get straight to the answer, along with everything else you need to know to manage your money seamlessly in Thailand with YouTrip. Yes, you can withdraw money from YouTrip in Thailand. Your YouTrip card is a MasterCard, and it works at any ATM that displays the MasterCard, Maestro, or Cirrus logos. This is fantastic news because it means you'll have widespread access to cash across Thailand, from the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene islands of the south. However, there are a few important things to keep in mind. While YouTrip generally offers excellent exchange rates with zero foreign transaction fees on spending, ATM withdrawals have a slightly different fee structure. YouTrip allows for free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit each calendar month. For YouTrip Singapore users, this is typically 400 Singapore dollars. After you exceed this amount, a 2% fee will apply to the withdrawn amount, deducted from your SGD wallet. Beyond YouTrip's own fees, you also need to be aware of potential local ATM fees. Most Thai ATMs will charge a local fee for foreign card withdrawals. This fee is typically around 220 THB per transaction, though it can vary slightly depending on the bank. This local ATM fee is entirely separate from any YouTrip fees and will be displayed on the ATM screen before you confirm your withdrawal. It's crucial to pay attention to these prompts to avoid unexpected charges. To maximize your savings, it's a good strategy to withdraw larger sums less frequently, rather than making many small withdrawals. This helps you minimize the impact of that fixed local ATM fee. Also, always choose to be charged in Thai baht, THB, at the ATM. If the ATM offers to convert the currency for you into your home currency, SGD, for example, decline it. This is called dynamic currency conversion, DCC, and it almost always results in a poorer exchange rate than YouTrip's excellent wholesale rates. YouTrip is a fantastic tool for your Thai adventures. You can easily exchange currencies within the app, lock in favorable rates, and spend directly at merchants that accept MasterCard with no foreign exchange fees. Having the option to withdraw cash from ATMs simply adds another layer of convenience and security to your travels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.